Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you YouTrip, how to pay for your YouTrip card from app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Before you can spend with your YouTrip card, physical or virtual, you need to fund your YouTrip wallet in the app. To do this, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your YouTrip application and log into your account. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is from the home screen, simply tap on the top up option, and then once you have selected the top up, simply enter the amount you want to add. Now once that's done, choose a payment method and complete the payment. For Pay Now QR, simply generate QR code and pay through your bank app. And now if you have a linked bank account, you can top up directly without leaving the app via each gyro. And if you have Visa, Master, debit or credit card, simply enter the card details and pay instantly. And if you have connected Apple Pay available on your device, simply use Apple Pay. And then once that's done, confirm the top up and the funds will appear in your YouTrip wallet right away. Note that this top up is effectively how you pay for your trip card by loading funds that your YouTrip card can then spend. You can also use your YouTrip card to pay online or on store. Simply tap your physical YouTrip card at merchants that accept MasterCard. You can also add your physical or virtual card to mobile wallets for easier contactless payments, and you can also use Apple Pay or Google Pay from your YouTrip apps as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.